Hello everyone, Guy here. Today, we're diving into the Pi network, a fascinating and somewhat controversial project that has captured the attention of millions worldwide. At its core, Pi network is a project aiming to make crypto mining accessible to everyone via mobile phones, regardless of their technical expertise or access to expensive hardware. It's a bold vision that seeks to democratize cryptocurrency. Pi's unique approach, centered around a user-friendly mobile app and a novel consensus mechanism, has attracted tens of millions of users, forming a truly global community. These users, known as pioneers, are the lifeblood of the Pi network. They mine Pi coins daily with a simple tap on their smartphones, contributing to the network's security and growth. This ease of use is a key differentiator for Pi. While some hail it as a revolution in digital currency, a game-changer that will bring crypto to the masses, others criticize its slow development, the lack of real-world value for the Pi coin, and the centralized nature of its early stages. The truth likely lies somewhere in between, as with most ambitious projects. It's a project with immense potential but also significant challenges to overcome. That's where Pi2Day comes in. It's a pivotal moment for the Pi network community. Held every June 28th, it's the project's flagship event, a highly anticipated occasion where the core team unveils major updates, strategic shifts, and future plans for the network. It's their chance to address the community and chart the course forward. For pioneers, Pi2Day is a crucial signal, a barometer of the project's progress and a glimpse into its future. It's a key indicator of the project's direction, its level of commitment to its stated goals, and its overall viability in the long run. Announcements on this day can either fuel excitement, galvanizing the community and attracting new users, or cause disappointment, leading to skepticism and potentially hindering growth. This year, anticipation was exceptionally high, perhaps more so than in previous years. The community was eagerly awaiting news about the long-awaited open Maynet launch, the point at which Pi network transitions to a fully functional, decentralized blockchain. Did the updates live up to the hype? Did the Pi network team deliver on their promises and provide a clear path forward? In this video, we'll break down the key Pi2Day announcements, dissecting each one to understand its implications. We'll explore what they mean for users, both current and potential, and how these announcements might affect their engagement with the Pi network. We'll also examine how they shape Pi's future, considering the long-term vision and the steps being taken to achieve it. We'll also analyze what these steps suggest about the project's trajectory, assessing its potential for growth, adoption, and real-world impact. Ultimately, we'll try to understand what these announcements mean for the transition to a live, tradable cryptocurrency and the future of the Pi network ecosystem. Let's get started and delve into the details of Pi2Day. Pi2Day brought with it a wave of exciting announcements, each designed to propel the Pi network further into the future. But one of the biggest and perhaps most crucial was the rollout of an enhanced Know Your Customer, or KYC system. This upgrade represents a significant leap forward in ensuring the integrity and security of the Pi network. KYC may sound dull, conjuring images of endless forms and bureaucratic red tape, but for Pi, it's the backbone of legitimacy, the very foundation upon which trust and security are built. Think of it as the essential framework that allows the Pi network to operate with confidence and transparency. It's the process that ensures real, unique users are participating in the network. This is paramount to the long-term health and sustainability of Pi, and crucially, it's what's responsible for blocking bots and preventing fraudulent activity. This keeps the network clean and fair for everyone involved. The new system replaces clunky third-party solutions that were previously relied upon. These older systems often presented challenges in terms of speed, efficiency, and user experience. Now we have a streamlined in-app process, making KYC more accessible and user-friendly than ever before. This seamless integration is a game-changer. The enhanced KYC leverages the power of machine learning, allowing for faster and more accurate verification. And it also relies on the invaluable contributions of community validators who play a vital role in the verification process. This collaborative approach ensures a robust and reliable system. Pioneers who pass KYC can now help verify others, contributing to the overall efficiency of the network. And, as a reward for their efforts, they earn Pi. This incentivized system is designed to speed up the process and ensure that more pioneers can get verified quickly and efficiently. This update is specifically designed to clear the KYC backlog, which has been a significant bottleneck for some time. Ultimately, the goal is to prepare users for Maynet migration, the next major milestone in the Pi network's development. Without KYC, mined Pi can't be transferred to the Maynet, meaning users won't be able to fully utilize their Pi holdings. This makes this a critical step for all pioneers who wish to participate in the Pi network's future. The improved interface guides users through document submission, making the process more intuitive and less daunting. And the enhanced liveness checks ensure that users can complete the verification process more smoothly and efficiently. Pi's unwavering focus on verified identities sets it apart from many other cryptocurrencies. This commitment to legitimacy is a key factor in attracting developers who are looking to build on a secure and trustworthy platform. It also appeals to businesses seeking a trusted digital environment where they can confidently engage with their customers. While some in the crypto world place a high value on anonymity, often prioritizing it above all else, Pi is making a bold bet on the power of a verified user base, believing that trust and transparency are essential for long-term success. This focus on verified identities is seen as its key differentiator, setting it apart from the competition. If successful in its vision, this could very well position Pi as a leader in the blockchain space. Specifically, it could lead the way in trusted real-world blockchain applications, where identity and security are paramount. The new KYC system is not just an update, it's a major strategic move toward realizing that vision, paving the way for a more secure and trustworthy future for the Pi network. Another major update is the tighter integration between the Pi mining app and the Pi browser. The Pi browser is now the central hub for wallets, dApps, and the Pi ecosystem. Single sign-on and improved notifications make moving between mining and apps seamless. This unified experience benefits both users and developers, making it easier to discover and use new applications. Pi is evolving from a mining app into a full Web3 portal, aiming to become the go-to platform for decentralized apps. With its massive user base, Pi has a real shot at building a thriving, self-contained ecosystem. Pi2Day marked a significant leap forward for the Pi network, particularly for its developer community. A cornerstone of this advancement was a major overhaul of the Pi developer portal. This wasn't just a cosmetic update, it was a fundamental redesign aimed at providing developers with a more intuitive and powerful platform. Accompanying the portal's redesign was the introduction of a new, more powerful software development kit, or SDK. This SDK is the toolkit that empowers developers to create innovative applications within the Pi ecosystem. The revamped portal offers clear, concise, and comprehensive documentation, ensuring developers have the resources they need at their fingertips. It also features interactive tutorials to guide developers through the process of building on Pi, and provides access to detailed analytics, allowing them to track the performance of their applications. All these improvements are geared towards one primary goal, making it easier and more efficient for developers to build on Pi, fostering a thriving ecosystem of applications and services. The new SDK provides robust and secure APIs for handling payments within Pi applications. This is crucial for enabling seamless transactions and supporting various business models. It also offers advanced user authentication mechanisms, ensuring the security and integrity of user accounts and data within the Pi network. Furthermore, the SDK includes support for smart contracts, enabling developers to create decentralized applications with automated agreements and trustless execution. A standout feature of the new SDK is the simplified API designed to streamline in-app purchases using Pi. This makes it incredibly easy for developers to integrate Pi payments directly into their applications. This simplified API opens doors for a wide range of applications, particularly in the gaming sector, where in-app purchases are a common monetization strategy. It also paves the way for innovative social apps that can leverage Pi for various functionalities, such as tipping, content creation rewards, and community-based transactions. And the possibilities extend far beyond just games and social apps. The SDK empowers developers to create a diverse ecosystem of applications, catering to various needs and interests. By lowering the barriers to entry for developers and providing them with robust monetization tools, Pi is actively fostering a vibrant and sustainable app ecosystem. Pi is encouraging a vibrant app ecosystem where developers can thrive and users can benefit from a wide range of innovative applications. This strategy mirrors the success of established platforms like Apple's App Store, where utility and a diverse range of applications drive value and user engagement. If Pi can successfully attract and retain a critical mass of talented developers, the network effect will kick in, leading to exponential growth and innovation. As more useful applications are built on Pi, the coin's utility and adoption could skyrocket, transforming it from a speculative asset into a widely used digital currency. The focus is clear: empower the builders, the developers who are creating the applications and services that will drive the Pi network forward, and the ecosystem will naturally follow. Pi is laying the groundwork, brick by brick, for a thriving Web3 app marketplace, where developers and users can connect, transact, and build the future of the internet. With better tools, Pi's Testnet ecosystem is thriving. Pi2Day showcased real apps, social platforms, marketplaces, games, already running on Testnet with TestPi. This proves Pi's potential utility and keeps the community engaged. The Testnet acts as an incubator, letting developers refine apps before Maynet launch. The best apps will be ready to go live on day one, giving Pi immediate real-world use cases. Pi's patient approach, building the ecosystem first, sets it apart from projects that launch with no utility. More hackathons and grants are on the way to fuel this creative environment. The big question: when open Maynet? Pi2Day didn't give a date, but it clarified the conditions: mass KYC completion and a mature app ecosystem. The new KYC system and developer tools are direct steps toward these goals. The Maynet isn't delayed by tech, but by the challenge of verifying millions of users. Watch two metrics: KYC completion rates and the number of quality apps. The launch will happen when these targets are met, not before. It's a methodical, condition-based approach, not a race to a deadline. This may frustrate some, but it's the responsible way to build a sustainable network. When the checklist is complete, open Maynet will be within reach. What does this mean for you, the pioneer? First, complete your KYC as soon as you're invited. Your Mind Pi depends on it. Download the Pi browser, set up your wallet, and explore Testnet apps. Your feedback helps shape the ecosystem and prepares you for Maynet. If you have ideas for apps, now's the time to build. New tools make it easier than ever. Even non-coders can contribute by joining teams or participating in hackathons. Track progress by watching KYC numbers and app growth, not just waiting for a listing. Pi's value will come from real utility, not speculation. The mindset shift is clear, from when moon to what can we build. The future of Pi depends on active community participation. So what's Pi's shot at mainstream adoption? Pi's strategy is unique. Focus on a massive verified user base and simple mobile-first access. This could unlock new markets for trusted peer-to-peer commerce and financial inclusion, especially in developing countries. If Pi delivers a functional Maynet, it could bring digital finance to millions who've never had access before. The social impact potential is huge, but so are the challenges. Success depends on delivering real utility, navigating regulations, and transitioning to an open network. Pi2Day shows the team is committed to this patient, community-driven path. In conclusion, Pi2Day 2025 shows a project focused on building solid foundations, not chasing hype. Enhanced KYC, deeper app integration, and better developer tools are essential steps toward launch. The message: progress is patient, but real. Pioneers are called to move from passive mining to active participation, testing, building, and shaping Pi's future. The project's fate rests on the community's ability to create genuine utility. The roadmap is now condition-based. Watch KYC rates and app ecosystem health. Risks remain, but so does the opportunity to onboard millions into Web3. Pi is a marathon, not a sprint.